How to scale/zoom a TextEdit area from a toolbar button click and or Ctrl plus mouse wheel. Is it possible to scale or zoom a TextEdit area? I believe I read that placing TextEdit inside Layout can allow for scaling of the TextEdit area, though did not find how to implement it. Couple of options. Ctrl plus roll of mouse wheel. Running the code below, holding down the Ctrl key and rolling the mouse wheel, the event is captured and the text does scale, at least on Windows. However, as the text grows larger, the wheel has to move further and further for very much effect, so one goal is to be able to modify that somehow, maybe some math to increase the increments to a greater degree on increases in the plus direction. The set read-onlys below are because it would seem TextEdit has to be read-only false for the mouse event to be captured, then true to be able to scale during roll of the mouse wheel, so it is then set back to original state of false again on release of the Ctrl key. Toolbar button click. The other option is toolbar buttons for zoom in and out. On zoom in clicked is called some current problems with the code below. 1. It prints layout column attempting to add layout to main window, which already has a layout and I don't have my head wrapped around that yet. 2. Key.TextEdit self.form layout instead of self. To place the TextEdit area inside the layout produces type error column pyside.key.TextEdit called with wrong argument types. 3. We could use some way to modify event.del to maybe. 4. The toolbar button, text only, will currently run its def when clicked, however it only contains a print statement. I've been grappling with this for days, so would be great to have the more customizable TextEdit scale/zoom working if it is even possible.
The two error messages can be explained as follows. The main widget automatically gets a layout, so the form layout is redundant. If you want to add a layout, create a widget to be the central widget and make it the parent of the new layout. Other widgets can then be added to that new layout. The parent of a widget subclass must itself be widget subclass, which form layout isn't. I've modified your example so that it does most of what you asked for. Note that TextEdit.zoomIn and TextEdit.zoomout both take a range argument for controlling the degree of zoom.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.